Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom text to your 3D model. Okay, first open the Bambu Studio. This is the object here. So this is a cylinder. Okay, so now I have to add text to this cylinder. So I will first click on the object. It is going to enable all these menus on the top bar. So you have to click on this T icon, which is for text. See, this is going to open a pop-up window. It has input text, font, size, thickness, gap, angle, mode, and other operations, right? Okay, so let's start with the text first. So I'm going to write 3D print. Okay, so right now you see the text is on the side walls of cylinder. But if you want to move the text around, you just have to click on this yellow pointer and move the text to the top. So see, now text 3D print is on the top of the cylinder, on the horizontal part, right? So coming to the font, so this gives you a lot of options. So I'm going to use this one. See, the font is changing. Whatever you select, it is going to change accordingly. Okay, so coming to the size, so this is the size of the font. So right now it is 3 mm. Let's make it 5. See, the font is bigger now. You can change the font as per your object. So coming to the thickness, so thickness is the height of the text. I will say drag it here. If I zoom in, right now the thickness is 2 mm. So that means the height of the text is 2 mm. If I increase it, let's say 10, see the height, it increases. If I make it 1, it decreases. I usually use 1 mm. Coming to the embedded depth, so every word right now it is lying on the surface, right? But if you want it to go like below the surface, let's make it 2 mm. See this light green area. So now the text is going inside the object. I don't use it because it's really not helpful for me. But yeah, Bambu Lab is giving this option also. Coming to the text gap option. So like it says text gap, so it increases or decreases gap between two letters basically. So if I increase the gap, see letters, the gap between letters, it increased. If I decrease it, it decreases. After gap, we have angle. What it does is it changes the orientation of your text. So again, we have a slider here. You can slide it to change the angle, or you can also use the arrows which you can see here. If I select on the left arrow and drag it left, my text changes the angle, and same goes when you drag it to the right. Now we have mode, which is surround, surface, surround, horizontal, not surround. So not surround is nothing. It is not going to surround the surface area. See, right now the mode is not surround, and text, they are flying. It is not going to print well. When I use surround plus surface, it surrounds the surface. It is not flying, or it is not in the air anymore. Yeah, this is it. I think these are enough to do basic customization in the Bambu Lab. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.